to the people of the Congo. But these title deeds were issued haphazardly. The intent was more of the political interest than for the members to occupy, to have title deeds for their land. So in that hurry, some people were given pieces of land where they don't belong. Rather, you find somebody has constructed, he has actually buried his people there, he is actually doing farming there, but when the title deed came, you find that the title came in somebody's different name. You find that a title deed has been issued, but the person who has been given that title deed does not even know where even this land is. So when we talk about regularization, we are talking of a serious matter here. This is a matter that needs a clear policy from the Ministry of Lands, so that eventually everybody can get somewhere, can call home. Mr. Speaker, the worst that has been happening, because the provincial administration is the one who is charged with the responsibility of security within areas where people are living. You find somebody taking advantage that he has this title, he knows very well this is not his piece of land, but he uses the provincial administration, using influence with money to harass people. Others are taken.
10 seconds.
So what has been happening, Mr. Speaker, there are people who are genuinely suffering in places of land where they rightfully and legally supposed to be living in. The need, therefore, to support this motion, and if possible, escalate this motion further to a bill. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you. Member for Magarini.
Asante, Mheshimiwa Speaker.
You shall not call chair from your seat.